Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. Today we will talk about ED's crackdown on Aam Aadmi Party sparks political storm. The Directorate of Enforcement, or commonly known as the ED, is in the limelight again after arresting Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren and launching investigation on Paytm. The Enforcement Directorate, or ED, has now intensified its probe into alleged corruption and money laundering cases involving the Aam Aadmi Party, triggering a political backlash from the ruling party in Delhi. The ED has conducted raids at the premises of several AAP leaders, including Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's personal secretary Bibhav Kumar, Rajya Sabha MP ND Gupta, and former Delhi Jal Board or DJB member Shalabh Kumar. The agency has also arrested two people, retired DJB Chief Engineer Jagdish Kumar Arora and contractor Anil Kumar Aggarwal, in connection with a case related to irregularities in the tendering process of the DJB. Furthermore, we have the ED claims that it has evidence of kickbacks worth rupees 100 crore being paid to finalize the Delhi excise policy for the year 2021-22, which allegedly benefited some private liquor companies. The agency also alleges that a part of these funds was diverted to the Aam Aadmi Party's electoral campaign in Goa during the 2022 assembly elections. The ED has issued multiple summons to Kejriwal, who is also the founder of the Aam Aadmi Party, to appear before it for questioning. But the Chief Minister has reportedly ignored them, leading to further legal actions by the agency. The Aam Aadmi Party has strongly denied the charges and accused the ED of being a puppet of the central government led by the Bharatiya Janata Party. The party has alleged that the ED is conducting a politically motivated witch hunt to harass and intimidate its leaders and supporters. Aam Aadmi Party leader Atishi Marlena has even claimed that the ED has deleted crucial audio recordings of witness statements, raising doubts about the credibility of the investigation. The party has also questioned the timing of the raids, which coincided with the announcement of the dates for the upcoming assembly elections in 5 states, including Goa. The ED's actions have sparked a political storm, with the opposition parties expressing their solidarity with the AAP and criticizing the central government for misusing the agency for its interests. Senior Congress leader Kapil Sibal said that the BJP has only one goal in its mind, which is to oust governments ruled by opposition parties in different states. He also alleged that there are criminal cases that are related to many BJP leaders whose information the ED has, but does nothing about it. Other opposition leaders such as Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav and Tejasvi Yadav also condemned the ED's raids and called them an attack on democracy. The case has wider implications for the role and functioning of investigative agencies in the country. It raises questions about the independence and accountability of the ED and other similar agencies, which are often accused of being influenced by political pressures and agendas. It also reflects the growing concerns about the politicizing of law enforcement and the weaponization of state institutions for partisan ends. On the other hand, ED and its supporters argue that the agency is performing its duty of combating corruption and money laundering and holding the politicians accountable for their actions. The ED's probe into the Aam Aadmi Party is likely to have a significant impact on the political landscape of the country, especially in the context of the upcoming elections. The Aam Aadmi Party, which has emerged as a formidable force in Delhi, and other states may face a challenging in maintaining its image and credibility among the voters. The BJP, which has been at loggerheads with the Aam Aadmi Party for a long time, may try to use the ED's probe as a weapon to discredit and weaken its rival. The Congress and other opposition parties which have expressed their support for the Aam Aadmi Party may also face the heat from the ED and other agencies, as they have their own cases of alleged corruption and irregularities. The ED's probe into the Aam Aadmi Party is thus a complex and contentious issue which has far-reaching consequences for the politics and governance of the country. That's all for today's news. For more such updates, keep watching Eastern Paradigm.
We present to you Shakti Yatra. Shakti Yatra, the ultimate travel experience. Looking for a comfortable and hassle-free travel experience? Look no further than Shakti Yatra. Our new bus service offers a convenient and affordable way to travel between Kokrajhar and Guwahati. With Shakti Yatra, you can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride in our state-of-the-art buses. Our buses are equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, comfortable seating, and ample legroom to ensure that you have a comfortable journey. Our experienced and professional drivers are committed to providing you with a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Booking your ticket is easy and hassle-free. You can book your tickets offline from the ticket counter near Pragati Bhavan and also online through www.redbus.in. So why wait? Book your ticket with Shakti Yatra today and experience the ultimate travel experience.